start by talking about artificial intelligence,
which has taken the world by storm. Why do you think it's captured people's imagination?
AI is revolutionizing the way software is developed. If you're not paying attention to the latest advancements in AI, you're missing out. Artificial intelligence is offering huge opportunities to improve the development process, increase efficiency, and stay ahead of the curve. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the most exciting applications, challenges, and opportunities in AI in software development. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or simply interested in the latest tech trends, you won't want to miss this. Hi, my name's Matt, and I'm the founder and CTO at Spring Digital. As someone who has been working in the software development industry for over 17 years, I've seen firsthand the impact that AI has had in our field. Firstly, let's start with the basics. What is AI and how is it being used in software development? AI, or artificial intelligence, is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally would require a human. For instance, AI can write high-quality code in seconds. In current AI versions, though whilst we do see some leaps and bounds in this area, we are not seeing a complete approach to code development. Understanding dependency across code bases, or why certain functions exist across a whole platform approach, is where it falls short. The way I see it, it's more of a get you started way of coding. AI can also be used to automate testing, conduct code analysis, and run predictive modeling. It's also great at spotting those tiny errors in codes, like an instance where a semicolon is missing, or a really basic function is just slightly off. All of this is picked up quickly. Developers then save their time debugging and focus on more complex functions. The quality layers flow to QA teams. Whilst AI offers a lot of exciting benefits in the software development space, there are also challenges associated with it. One such challenge is the need for large amounts of data to train AI systems and make accurate predictions. As AI systems are only as good as the data that they're trained on, biased or low quality data can negatively impact the performance of the AI system. Collecting, cleaning, and managing large amounts of data can be time consuming and resource intensive, which can be especially challenging for small companies or individual developers who may not have the necessary resources. Now, looking into the future, there are many exciting developments happening in this space. One such example is natural language processing. AI systems are becoming far better at understanding and processing natural language, which allows developers to ask intelligent questions, provide scenarios, construct limits, and provide responses and input to the computer code. This leads to a higher quality of code and even faster development times. There are also many successful AI projects in software development that you can learn from. For example, Google's DeepMind is using AI to improve healthcare outcomes, while OpenAI's ChatGPT-3 is being used to generate human-like language. If you're interested in using AI in your software development projects, there are many tools and platforms available to help you get started. Some popular tools and platforms for AI in software development include TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Microsoft Azure. In terms of best practices you should follow, these include validating and testing AI models, ensuring the data that you use to train your AI systems is unbiased and accurate, and integrating existing software development workflows carefully. I hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you want to learn more about AI and software development, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Till next time.